So I'm sure you already guessed by the title of the video, we're headed to Iceland. We got just shy of 9 days on the island. Taking my little sister with me. First time she's ever done a trip with me. First time I've done an international trip. Every time I've done something, it's been in the States. Hawaii earlier this year. Last year, Montana. Trying to do two trips per year. And yeah, should be an experience.
Hey, you ready to take me to the airport?
Sure.
You look so excited.
I am. Isn't it so exciting?
You're so flippin' crazy. Say hi, dork.
What is this?
Move your legs. It's my dead cat, okay?
She doesn't like the dead cat on the camera.
Oh my gosh.
I'm glad you're not driving. Sheesh.
Right?
Are you ready?
No.
Turn the light on. Say hi to the people.
Hi. Is this too big? Gotta be prepared.
I'm prepared. I don't even have half that.
I have a blanket and a pillow in here. That's why it's so fat.
Oh, I don't have either of those. I'm gonna be cold.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you got it all together, huh?
No.
What is this furry thing?
It's a dead cat. It's so that when like there's wind blowing around, it doesn't sound like a...
I was gonna say, why is it shaking?
Well, it's kind of... Don't worry about it.
Hi, Ginger!
Hi, Ginger.
How dandy that is.
Do you have anything to say to the people?
Not a thing. I don't look good. What are we eating? This is our last meal in America. I'm so afraid she's gonna wither away to nothing.
Let's explain the meals that we got.
Are you videoing?
Not Yes, of course I'm vlogging.
Okay, then I'm gonna have to be careful what I said.
You can say whatever you want. I'll bleep it out. It's not going on YouTube Kids. Mac and cheese.
50 people watching.
I don't know. I think I can get more. Primavera.
Chicken and rice.
Do we have teriyaki chicken?
No.
Becca goes, we need to stop at a liquor store before we start on our trip.
Yeah, of course.
I approve. I approve. I'm really bad at this. I'm trying to get used to the camera. Are you taking a
picture?
Oh, please. My mom's a dork. Go take a picture. You're such a dork.
Have a great time! Take care of your sister, okay? We love you too.
Yeah, love you too. See ya. Very good, Mick.
We made it. Time for a drink.
Cute. Have a good flight. Have a good flight.
Okay. Is it worth it?